Hi guys, it's Nishi here. Hope you had a really good day. So in today's video, what we're going to talk about is the increases in corporation tax that are coming in next month. So from April 23. Before I get into this video though, just remember, if you find these useful, there's a load more content at our website, naccounting.co.uk. Especially you can have a look at our podcast that we interview really successful business owners and understand how they did it and the lessons they've learned. And also, we've got our quarterly planning days. And if you're never quite sure what the next steps in your business are in terms of growing it, then attending a quarterly planning day is an absolute must, because then you'll walk away with a really clear idea of what you need to do next. So back to this video. So if you've heard, especially in the last budget, I guess it was a budget before then or a couple before then, but the last budget, it just reconfirmed it, and corporation tax is increasing, and I just want to explain how it's increasing. So at the moment, we've got a flat rate of corporation tax. So if you make a profit in your business, then you apply a 19% tax to it, and then that's how you work out your corporation tax. But what's happening in next month is essentially there's going to be two rates of corporation tax and a load of rates in between. So if you make up to £50,000 in profits in your business, then the corporation tax rate of 19% still applies. But if you make over £250,000 of profit in your business, then there's a new corporation tax rate of 25%. So 6% jump in corporation tax if you're making over 250k in profits. That's a pretty big jump. But I think the question you're probably asking is, what happens if you're in between 50,000 and 250,000? And that is a great question. And essentially, what happens is you get something called marginal relief. And to summarize it, it's a way of the government giving you a rate which is between 19% and 25%. So that's essentially how it works. So if you earn 70k of profit, your rate of corporation tax might be like 22%, for example, just a rough idea. Whereas if you make £190,000 of profit, your corporation tax rate might be like 24%. So that's essentially how it works. If you're at the bottom end, at lower end at 50,000 or less, then it's going to be 19%, just like it is now. If you're at the higher end, over 250, it's going to go up to 25%. And if you're in the middle, you're going to get a rate between those. I know loads of people are throwing this 26.5% number around, and I guess it's an easy way to help people understand what's going on. So if you do earn between 50,000 and 250,000, then the way to potentially look at it is the first 50k you earn is going to get taxed at 19%. Then anything you earn between that 50 and plus and 50 and 250, you're essentially going to get taxed at 26.5%. So when I said earlier, you've got a tax rate which is between 19 and 25%. Really, what that is a hybrid of you getting taxed 19% on part of your profits and then 26.5 on the other part. So I guess that might have just complicated things for you, but the point being though is it's what we call tapering. So if you, depending on how close to that 250 you are, you pay more and more tax as a rate. There are a couple of other things to consider, like you might be thinking, actually right now it's probably tempting to split my business and have two companies and make £50,000 in each of those companies rather than 100k in one. There are rules around associating companies, so it's the government has thought of that, and there's certain shareholding rules and ownership rules and control rules and interdependency rules, which mean that if you do split your business to reduce, it's probably very similar to splitting your business to avoid VAT. But if you do split your business to try and get your corporation tax rate down, you just got to be aware there are a lot of hidden rules which give the government the ability to combine it or split your allowances. So that's just one thing to consider as well. The loopholes, the obvious loophole isn't quite as obvious as you think. So if you found this video useful, I guess I'm the bearer of bad news. But if you found this video useful, just remember to like, share, follow, and subscribe. Check out our website, naccounting.co.uk. And if you want to really talk about how it applies to your own business and also growing your business, so actually it doesn't matter how much corporation tax you pay, you're still going to make loads of money, then go to our website and book yourself in for a free strategy session with myself, and we can talk about it. All right, thanks for watching.